Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we give you a couple of tips on how to become an influencer. First of all, you don't need to have a lot of followers on Instagram to become an influencer. You need to create content that drive engagement. A lot of people that want to quit Instagram, a lot of people that stuck on how to grow an Instagram following or even engagement. What you need to do, you need to have constant content, producing content to post on Instagram, and maybe you have a scheduler. You can use Tailwind, for instance. The other thing you need to do is to create beautiful canvas. Stories. Use Canva to create beautiful stories and put them out there. There is a lot of stories templates on Canva that you can use, and you put out your message. It might be a message for your brand, because you're also growing your personal brand on Instagram along with with your followers. And also you need to make sure that you monetize along the way. You can monetize, but it will be good if you show your personality on Instagram and have fun with it. It's very, very simple nowadays to become an influencer, but also you need to have a strategy, because you need to make sure that you are attracting the right brands in order to collaborate with them. There is a lot of ways that you can find out which companies, for example, working with influencers, with macro influencers, with more successful influencers. There is a lot of companies out there, like Isaiah, for instance. You can register. There is a lot of companies that you can register and pitch brands. The other thing you need to do is to make sure that you are creating very attractive and beautiful videos. You don't really need to have perfect editing skills, or you need to have somebody, a photographer or something. Just take your phone and have fun with it. There is another company that you can create beautiful videos and put them out on Instagram, and that is Filmora. I actually enjoy doing videos of Filmora. You can use it for different platforms, and you can have different effects on, and you can play with it, and then you can put out videos on Instagram. Have a little strategy about how going to grow and what are you going to post on Instagram, and then make sure that you have fun with it. Creating content for Instagram, it is going to help you becoming an influencer, and also it's going to help you see what is working for you. You can become a fashion influencer, but you need to make sure that you are also loving the brand that you want to work for. You need to make sure that you know the product. If you, for example, you want to work with particularly brand, this is what you need to do. You need to know the product that you're promoting. So you need to make sure that also, along with the content creation, you need to build some relationship as well. So it's important. So those are a couple of tips, for influencers, like for beginners or even for advanced influencers on Instagram. You need to make sure that, if you want to get gifted products, or if you want to go for a paid collab, but you really need to have great content. Those are a couple of tips that you need to remember. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, and make sure you tell me if you have created stories with Canva. Leave your comments below, and have a great day.